Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to show you some of the kits that we offer for the G-Body. First, we have our coilover kit. We have the front coilover kit. We have the rear coilover kit. The rear coilover kit comes with all of the brackets, the hardware. The kit also includes the spanner wrench. We also have our G-Body brace. So this brace goes between the upper shock mounts on the rear of the frame, and it reinforces the back of the car, which is especially beneficial for coilover suspensions. We also have our thrust bearing kits and our reinforcing plates that go between the T-bar and the lower control arm to spread the load in the lower control arms. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.